Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Blossoms in Bloom bundle. Surprise, surprise. You'll find this on page 51 of the annual catalog. I say surprise, surprise because I've been using this bundle a lot. I have an online class going on right now. And of course, you could get this bundle for free because of the starter kit promotion that's going on right now from Stampin' Up. It's only good until June 30th, and you can choose whatever bundle out of the brand new annual catalog you want if you signed up to get your starter kit. So that's a really awesome promotion. This bundle is about $82 Canadian. So I have the outline die here, and I am showing you that I have die cut it out 5 times, and I've stuck all 5 together. So, and I just did it in whatever color I had handy. You don't have to do that. Just the color doesn't matter. I'm going to use this to make an impression on my Saffron cardstock. So one of the things that I did was I made sure that the die was on the bottom and it was flipped around to the right side. And then I put my paper on the top just because I wanted to. And then I ran it through my die cut machine. There was no special sandwich. It was just like I ran it through with like a die. So the nice thing is this made a really cool impression, like an embossing folder would, and it has, like, you know, textured flowers. I loved that. So really simple way of stretching your dies. So I have put dry adhesive on the back of my Saffron cardstock here and adhered it to a Whisper White thick card base. Now I have Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am inking up the stamp that says thinking of you. This will be in the Blossoms in Bloom bundle, and the tag there, the sentiment label, is from the Ornate Frames. So this is kind of cool. I wanted to play around with these in good taste elements. You'll actually find them featured on page 123 of the annual catalog. I don't think that they're supposed to do this, but I was happily surprised that they did. I noticed that some of the leaves I was playing with kind of came apart. So they came in 2 different pieces. So a thicker one and a thinner one. So I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen, but I liked it anyway. That was a happy accident because it gave me the dimension that I was looking for. Sometimes when you're playing around with wooden elements, they don't have a lot of dimension. They really sit like all on the same kind of level. So I put some glue dots and some Stampin' Dimensionals behind my little framed sentiment here, and I felt like I needed a little bit more, so I added a few more leaves. And so I will warn you, just be careful when you're punching them out if you choose to get them. I love these for mixed media. They paint like so good. You can just put gesso right over top of it and, you know, adhere it to your mixed media, or, you know, you could use it for cards and you can ink them up and you can change the color. I just love the wooden embellishments. I think they're fantastic. So then I pulled out the brand new in color enamel dots. I think they're back ordered right now, kids. I'm so sorry to share something with you that is back ordered, but what are you going to do? Anyway, that's my card. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.